What's up guys, welcome back to my video. As you can see by name this video, today we show this Amazon tutorial for beginners in 2026. And in this video we can show in Amazon.com website, in Amazon business and Amazon business and sell on Amazon, and Amazon FBA fulfillment, and Amazon ads, and Amazon global selling, and Amazon business for buying. So, and firstly we show in Amazon.com website. In this so we show this refresh your office and next today deals, business only saving, and shop small and local, and shop small business and your guest access. So, and firstly we show in Amazon business enforcement. So firstly this Amazon business and smart business buying and start shopping in the contest sales. And firstly you can show in Amazon cards and Amazon business card and Amazon Prime card. So the new Amazon business cards, and this is blue color, and first and second, and orange color. If you're interested in the new Amazon business cards, you can click and then learn more. So, and shop and small business for this, and the second save and 20% with educator and discounts, and whole organization are buying smarter. If you're interested in this you can click and learn more and save now and shop now. So, and business buying tools and streamline purchasing and simplify your purchasing and process with unique features and a wide selection of business and supplies. And this shared card, and so this subscribe save in 5 and 10%, and second and TV and subscribe to 5 and 10%, and another electronics and save 5 and 10%. So, and firstly maintain and complaints, and if you can guide purchasing this maintain complaints, and they can analyze spend and buy a bulk and purchase responsibly. So, essential supplies, this firstly this is Amazon for business, and the mouse and different electronics, and with the approval flows in place, and onboarding experience has been incredibly easy to manage. So, and resources and tip for small business, if interesting tips, and watch training videos, if interesting streamline you purchase and get the most of Amazon business tools and features, and read the blog. I recommend and watch the training videos because it's for interesting, and for starting is the best option. Next is this sell on Amazon and sell more with Amazon. You get 10% and back your first $5,000 in branded sales. And so for new sellers, this incentives, and take our cues, and why create an account. Firstly, if you're interested, why create an account in Amazon.com shop, in the if you read more and this option link, and take our quiz, and for example an Amazon quiz is so interesting, and new seller incentives for if you plan it and you first time and shop in Amazon, you can read more the new seller on Amazon.com. So let's get started with our 5,000 in incentives, and so and 10% back in our first $5,000 in branded sales, then 5,000 back until your first year, until you reach in $1 million. So, and $100 of shipment into the Amazon fulfillment network, and using the Amazon partner carrier program, and free storage, and customer returns with our enrollment in the FBA new selection program, up to $1,000 and credit to create sponsored products ads, and firstly if you have an Amazon Prime card. So we create an Amazon selling account. For the slide, why you create an Amazon selling account, this is more options, and firstly and grow more, spend less in first, second and protect and build your brand, second, and advertise with Amazon. With advertise with Amazon is a get discovered, increase sales, and control cost with Amazon ads. You can use cost per click campaigns to advertise your products and or brand in the beyond the Amazon store. Small businesses using Amazon ads attributed 30% of sales to our ads in the advertise with Amazon. If you're interested, learn more about Amazon ads, and firstly, and this you can show that every year our sales are up 30 and 40%. This is advertising, going to pick it ad never does. So, and the next, and Amazon FBA fulfillment, so guys, and services for your e-commerce business. The e-commerce business, and for example, in Amazon FBA, shipping is FBA costs 70% less per unit than comparable premium options offered by other measures as carriers. What is fulfillment by Amazon FBA? If you interesting, is a fulfillment by Amazon, and the program lets that our source or order fulfillment to Amazon and offer customer free 2-day shipping through Prime. So by enrolling in FBA, you can send your products in the Amazon global network and fulfillment centers, and it will pick and pack and ship orders, as well as handle customer service and returns. FBA is part of a fully automated set of services we call Amazon supply chain services. So you can show this increases sales, and firstly, this is fulfillment in increased sales. You use an FBA to deliver orders with span and reliable customer love and grow your business. And second option for Amazon fulfillment, and third, and operate with greater ease. So, and instead of spending time in processing order and handling customer inquiry or managing returns, use FBA to focus on developing products and delighting customers. So, and firstly, this is box and get shipping credits, free storage, and more. And $100 of shipments into the Amazon fulfillment network using the Amazon Partner Carrier program, and $200 credit towards fulfillment costs when US global logistics, and $400 credit and for inbound placement costs, and free storage and customer returns with auto enrollment in the FBA new selection program. So, and how FBA works in this next few steps. And first step is register for FBA, a sign up of a selling account or log into Seller Central if you already have one. To register for FBA, select or register icon and account info. Then select manage of the seller account information page and click register for FBA. Second step is list and season product to FBA. You can select some or all of your eligible product for FBA before deciding which products to select. And first, this confirm your products are eligible by reviewing FBA products restrictions, and second, and review FBA policies and requirements, and third, and estimate cost using of revenue calculator. And third step is send shipment to Amazon. Transport your product to an Amazon fulfillment center using to send to Amazon workflow. The workflow will guide you through the shipment creation process, including preparing, packing, and so. And first step is let Amazon handle fulfillment, and track your shipments to the Amazon fulfillment networks. You reserve and store your inventory, pack and ship orders, and handle customer and service and returns on your behalf. So, and step number 5 is manage your FBA inventory. Use the FBA dashboard to help forecast and manage your Amazon FBA inventory. Use a suite of tools and services, including the FBA restock tools, replenishment alerts, and FBA liquidations to help you maintain balanced inventory levels, keep your most popular products in stocks, and avoid long-term storage costs. And watch Amazon inventory overview. If interested, you can click on the FBA inventory overview. So, and last step, in step number 6, in optimize and expand your business, and use a suite of FBA services to help streamline your operations. The pair FBA with programs like Amazon Global Logistics, remote fulfillment with FBA, and Amazon Export to help reach more customers around the world. So, and the next is save with FBA new selection program, and you can get free monthly storage rebates. And whenever the FBA, the new selection program, as a new seller, you're automatically enrolled when you bring new eligible products in FBA and create an Amazon FBA shipping within 90 days of listing your first viable products as a program of the which are enrolled in products and saving in your enjoying. So, in the how much does of Amazon cost? If you FBA fulfillment cost, you can show it is the fulfillment cost per unit includes and packing your order, shipping and handling customer service and product returns cost based on the weights and dimensions of your product, shipping weights and calculated based on the item's unit weight or dimensional weight. So non-apparel and apparel and low price and FBA non-apparel and low price FBA apparel. So FBA storage costs next, and so in this products examples, for example, in product size, tire and dimension, unit weight, and shipping weight range, and fulfillment cost. For example, first option is a t-shirt, and this large standard size in apparel 8 plus to 12 all, and the dimension, you can unit weight and shipping weight. For example, you can show and fulfillment cost and $4.67. And other FBA costs, you can edit inventory, returns, processing, and removal, disposal, and liquidation orders. So in FBA inbound and placement service, since for example you can estimate your FBA cost, for you can use our revenue calculator to compare estimated for FBA and your own fulfillment method, and search to Amazon catalog and for the product or define or using dimensions and weight, category, price, and shipping and charges. So review and adjust in parts and for Amazon fulfillment and your fulfillment, and to calculate and recalculate in fees, costs, and revenue. Compare fulfillment option with Amazon revenue calculator, for example, if you're interested. So next, sell in Amazon ads and FBA, and first boost visibility and increase sales with Amazon ads. So in our advertising tools can help you reach more customers and grow your brand, and companion are easy to set up, and you can set your own bids and budgets and for Amazon seller. And what is Amazon ads? And for example, an option in Amazon ads provider sellers and with a verified advertising solution that can help their products and brands reach more customer base and beyond the Amazon store, and get discovered in advertising providers and visibility boost for your products and brand. Amazon ads campaign appear in highly visible placement, including on search results and page and product detail pick in Amazon store, increasing sales, and many shoppers and come to Amazon are ready to buy. Amazon ads can help you reach your customer what how for products your average sellers into using sponsored products, and save 34% more sales growth in compared to the within 4 weeks after adoption. And control costs in Amazon ads report, track, expand, and performance, so you can learn what working, fine tune your campaigns, and optimize your advertising budget. So in advertising and beyond the Amazon store, use cost per click ads and the sponsored products and sponsored brand, and display and show this. If you can see, if you're interested in them, and you can learn more and this sponsored products and sponsored brands and display. And needs help selecting the right products to advertise. For example, in machine and Amazon ads learning capabilities suggest products that are more likely to engage customers if advertised, looking out for gray and green labels during campaign creation, and considering adding two products to your campaign. So in how Amazon ads works, and for example, you have in 5 steps. In first, and log in, sell in or the central, or sign up for selling accounts. And the second, create an Amazon ads account, and third, and start advertising. In 4 step, and expand your strategy. And 5 step, and measure and optimize impact. And advertising globally in first, and if you can see, find a country where you eligible to advertise below, and click the flag, and for the country to log in, select central. And third is a click on advertising in central main in menu, then click campaign manager. On the next page, click create a campaign. So this you can sort for a few countries from trading: Canada, United Kingdom, Spain, France, Italy, Germany, Australia, Ireland, and Japan, India, Brazil, Mexico, United States, United Arab Emirates, and Saudi Arabia, Netherlands, and Sweden, Poland, Turkey, Egypt, and Belgium, and South Africa. So, and last, they sell worldwide with Amazon, and sell worldwide with Amazon, and expand your reach by selling to Amazon customers in other countries. Sell globally from the US, or sell from another country to US customer shipping to Amazon.com and sell globally. For example, if you, in country from India or from Australia, you can global shop and Amazon, and why global selling this option, and accelerate sales with Amazon global brand, and grow and diversify your sales, and simplify global expansion. And then For example, sell globally from the US and sell in Americas and sell to Europe. For example, for your country from Europe, you can say the tool learn about selling to Europe. So this and sell to Asia Pacific for example in Australia, India, Japan, and South Middle East and North Africa, the Middle East, and to Egypt. So and from other global sellers and sell to from another country. For example, customers from another country start selling to customers in US plus Canada, Mexico, and Brazil. You can also sell in Europe, the Asia Pacific, and the Middle East and North Africa. So and sell to use only, for example, Amazon.com and shopping, and sell to US plus Canada and Latin America. In this for Latin America and learn about selling from Canada, Mexico, Brazil, from other parts for Latin America. For example, and that's all for now. If you interested in the video, please put like and subscribe the channel. If you like the video, guys, see you soon. My best videos. Bye bye.